For this last part, we're going to be looking at some word problems. We're going to write the equation or inequality for each problem. We're going to simplify or combine like terms on each side first, or as Ms. Butler says, called cleaning it up. And then we're going to solve each equation or inequality. Remember, if you have an inequality problem, your answer should include an inequality symbol. For problem number 1, the area of the surface of the swimming pool is 210 square feet. What is the length of the deep end? When we do area of this pool is a rectangle shape. So our area equals our length times our width. That is a formula. It is on your formula sheet. It's one of the few formulas given to you. So we can call either one of these length and the other one width. Let's call this our width, and we're going to call this our length. So our width is 10. Our length is going to be this and this together. So we're looking for the whole thing. So we're actually going to be adding d plus 9 to figure out how long the whole length is. So our area is 210 square feet. Our length is d plus 9. And then our width is 10. I'm going to start by distributing. So I'm going to get 210 equals, and even though we don't often see it like this, multiplication is commutative, so we are allowed to do it this way. 10 times d is 10d plus 90. This is a two-step equation now. There's nothing else to clean up, so I'm going to solve. I'm going to subtract 90 from both sides. Get 120 equals 10d, divide both sides by 10. So I'm going to get 12, and it's in feet, equals d. We're going to make sure that we solve the problem. Says the length d of the deep end, and that is my length for d. For 2, we're going to translate and solve. 3 times the difference of a number and 6 is no more than negative 21. So I see 3 times the difference. So I know that it's going to be 3 parentheses. Difference means subtraction inside parentheses, and the subtraction sign is going to go where the word and is. So of a number, x minus 6 is no more than. Because of this word is, it's going to be some kind of inequality. No more than. I can't be bigger, that means. So it's going to be smaller or equal to negative 21. Now how we're going to solve it. So I have to clean up this left side because I have the parentheses. We don't want the parentheses. So we're going to distribute. I'm going to get 3x minus 18 is less than or equal to negative 21. I look at the left side. I don't have any terms to clean up. My right side is only one term, so there's nothing to simplify over there. This is a two-step inequality. We move the minus 18, so I'm going to add 18 first. We have 3x is less than or equal to negative 3. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to undo the multiplication. So I'm going to have x is less than or equal to negative 1. That means anything that is negative 1 or smaller would make this a true statement. Our very last problem for the day. The students in charge of the class booth at our carnival would like to earn $3 for every item they sell. They spent $55 for the materials to make the items. If they want a profit of at least $65, how many items do they need to sell?